Here we are on the side porch, and we have this post. Obviously water was coming down through here, going down the middle. So I've taken out all the loose stuff I can, and blew the dust out of it. And then I nailed, it was splitting down through, so I started nailing in. Fortunately, the nails did go in hard, so it appears that the rot ends right in this range, and down in here it was good and hard. It pulled it together, nailed it here, nailed it on both sides, about 8 nails, and it's holding good. So now what we need to do is we need to carve. I have some of the pieces, but we need to start putting fresh wood in here and rebuilding this. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then we'll have to carve or do whatever we need to do to get it back to where it's supposed to be. We use some caulking too, but we need some fresh wood in here, or we aren't going to have anything to hold to. So that's what we're working on.